This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Daysi Morey. You will be dazzled when entering this residence with unobstructed views of Biscayne Bay and Miami's Skyline. Open floor plan with abundance of sunlight, chef-style kitchen, 3 generous-sized bedrooms with plenty of closet space, 2 balconies for your enjoyment. Building offers waterside pool, a veranda to enjoy the views, bi-level gym, and much more. 2 individual parking spaces and storage included with the purchase. For more information, review the details below.